How to turn on or turn off Google Play instant upgrade web links on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here. So click on apps. Now here, so click on choose default apps. So after click on choose default apps, so scroll down and click on opening links. So after click on opening links, so you will see instant app is here. So click on instant apps. So after click on instant app, you will see upgrade web link is here. So if you want to turn on upgrade web links, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see upgrade web link is turned on. So if you want to turn off upgrade web links, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see upgrade web link is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off upgrade web links from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Google Play instant upgrade web links on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.